A yoga instructor service offers more than physical exercise. It creates a space where individuals can reconnect with their bodies, minds, and breath. Whether practice for stress relief, strength building, flexibility, or spiritual growth, yoga remains one of the most universally adaptable wellness practices. A successful yoga instructor business is rooted in the ability to deliver this experience consistently across various settings and for diverse groups of people. It's a business where knowledge, energy, empathy, and authenticity come together to provide something both deeply personal and widely needed in today's fast-paced world. In this video, we are going to talk about Yoga Instructor Service. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start the video. Launching a yoga instructor service begins with a solid foundation of training and experience. Becoming a certified yoga instructor typically involves completing a 200-hour or 500-hour teacher training course, where the instructor studies asanas, anatomy, breathwork, philosophy, and the history of yoga. But even with certification, real-world teaching experience is invaluable. Teaching friends, volunteering in community centers, or subbing for classes at a local studio helps build the confidence and presence needed to lead others effectively. This early phase is also where an instructor starts to refine their personal teaching style and uncover the aspects of yoga they connect with most deeply, whether that's hatha, vinyasa, yin, restorative, power yoga, or a blend of traditions. Rather than relying on one format, modern yoga instructors often build their business through a hybrid of offerings. In-person classes, whether held at a rented studio, in a gym, at a park, or at clients' homes, provide a personal touch and the ability to build strong client relationships. Group sessions are popular for their community feel, while private one-on-one sessions cater to those with specific goals, injuries, or preferences for privacy. At the same time, digital technology has expanded the reach of yoga instruction dramatically. Live virtual classes via Zoom, pre-recorded video libraries, mobile apps, and online courses all enable instructors to serve clients beyond their immediate location and generate passive income once content is created. Understanding the target market is essential in shaping a yoga service that resonates. Some instructors focus on corporate clients, offering stress relief classes in the workplace. Others serve new mothers with postnatal yoga, seniors with chair yoga, athletes with mobility-focused sequences, or spiritual seekers looking for breathwork and meditation. The versatility of yoga allows it to be tailored to all body types, fitness levels, and life stages. Defining a niche doesn't exclude potential clients. It simply clarifies the brand and messaging, allowing the instructor to stand out in a saturated market. Clients are more likely to invest in a service that feels specifically created for their needs. Creating a consistent, welcoming environment is key to attracting and retaining clients. For in-person sessions, this means choosing a space that is clean, calm, and free from distractions, whether that's a formal studio or an outdoor setting. Lighting, temperature, and music all contribute to the energy of the class. For virtual sessions, technical quality matters. Stable video, clear audio, and camera angles that show proper form help create a professional experience. Regardless of format, the instructor's voice, tone, and demeanor carry the most weight. Calm, confident instruction that balances clarity with compassion is what students return for again and again. Pricing must reflect both the value offered and the norms of the market. Group classes often have lower per-person rates to encourage participation, while private sessions carry a premium due to their individualized nature. Many yoga instructors offer pricing packages or memberships to encourage long-term commitment, such as 5-class passes, unlimited monthly memberships, or virtual class bundles. Corporate packages and wellness partnerships can provide higher revenue opportunities, especially for instructors who can deliver consistent results and build strong relationships within organizations. Sliding scale or donation-based classes may also be offered to keep the practice accessible, while giving clients a chance to support the teacher financially in a way that feels fair. Marketing a yoga instructor service is about visibility, credibility, and connection. Social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube provide ideal spaces for showcasing short flows, mindfulness tips, inspirational messages, and behind-the-scenes glimpses into the life of the instructor. A polished website that includes a bio, class schedule, booking system, testimonials, and contact information becomes the digital home base. Email newsletters allow instructors to nurture client relationships, share class updates, and provide thoughtful content that keeps subscribers engaged. Collaborations with wellness brands, fitness professionals, and local businesses can expand reach and foster new client leads, especially when the yoga offering complements other health and lifestyle services. Authenticity is one of the strongest marketing tools in the yoga world. Prospective clients aren't just looking for someone who knows the poses, they're looking for someone they can trust to guide them. Sharing personal stories, growth experiences, challenges, and lessons learned on the mat can humanize the instructor and create emotional resonance with clients. In a market increasingly crowded with flashy poses and commercialized versions of yoga, sincerity and humility stand out. When clients feel that their instructor is committed to their growth, not just their attendance, they are more likely to stay, refer others, and become ambassadors for the brand. Over time, reputation becomes the most valuable asset a yoga instructor can build. Reviews, referrals, and word of mouth remain powerful, particularly in wellness communities where trust is everything. Teaching at community events, offering free workshops, or leading donation-based classes can help build goodwill and increase visibility. Hosting yoga retreats or special seasonal events like New Year intention setting or full moon flows not only adds variety, but creates unique experiences that deepen student loyalty. These special events can also be great revenue generators, especially when marketed with care and paired with additional offerings like guided meditations, journals, or wellness products. As the business grows, so do the possibilities for expansion. Hiring other instructors to teach under the same brand name allows for more class offerings and the ability to serve more clients. Renting or opening a dedicated studio space gives full control over the environment and scheduling. Developing online courses, ebooks, or paid communities can help reach new markets while generating passive income. Merchandise like yoga mats, apparel, props, or custom playlists can create brand cohesion and additional streams of revenue. The key is to expand without compromising quality. Every new class, product, or teacher must reflect the same values and standards that built the business in the first place. Client care remains central to long-term success. Taking time to get to know students by name, remembering their goals or injuries, and following up after sessions helps create a supportive, personal atmosphere. I hope you enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. See you in the next video.